A local woman is accused of driving recklessly while severely intoxicated. Police say she ran a red light, smashed into a car, which ended the life of a young mother of 3.
Police say her blood alcohol level was nearly 5 times the legal limit at the time of the crash on Tuesday morning. WESH 2's Dave McDaniel was in court when she went before a judge this afternoon, and he's joining us live tonight outside of the jail. Dave.
Well, the state argued to the judge today that the suspect should be held in jail without bond, partly because of the alleged level of intoxication and partly because, as a bartender, she would be around alcohol her entire shift.
Ms. Escobar, you're charged with homicide, negligent manslaughter.
25-year-old Ansibil Escobar is accused of slamming into the car, driven by 29-year-old Tiffany Alexander, ending the life of the mother of 3, her children ages 7 years to 9 months.
This was a T-bone crash at high speed, which we all know what the outcome. Tiffany succumbed to her wounds.
It was at Vista Willa and State Road 434 a little after 10 in the morning Tuesday. Alexander had a green light.
We do have enough witnesses and information that she did run the red light, at high rate of speed.
But what has Ansibil facing manslaughter charges is what the investigators noted in the report. At the hospital, they noted a strong odor of alcoholic beverage coming from her breath. And they write she had slurred speech, eyes were red, glossy, and bloodshot. But it was the blood draw that had investigators astonished, a blood alcohol concentration of 0.386.
I don't know anybody in this room if we'd be standing at a 3.8. I don't even know how she was driving at a 3.8. It boggles my mind.
That amount just shy of 5 times the legal limit. The chief saying it was the drinking that led to death.
This accident could have been totally prevented if Miss Escobar made some good choices that day. And we all know that she did not make those choices, and this is the outcome.
The chief said he spoke with Tiffany's husband and shared his state of mind.
He's going through a grieving stage right now. He's in shock. His wife and the mother of the 3 kids do not have a mother anymore.
In the report, Escobar said she left her bartending job Monday night, went to another establishment, and had a couple of drinks and went home. She says she was on her way back to her job Tuesday mid-morning when the crash occurred. The judge did order her to be held here in jail without bond. Reporting live in Seminole County, Dave McDaniel, WESH 2 News.